This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and yourself. Clean the display and sensor zone so oils won't confuse readings. Once done, disable screen protectors if they block optical sensors. Now open Settings, choose Biometrics, and start Fingerprint enrollment. Place your finger flat on the sensor exactly as you would when unlocking, not angled. Hold gentle, consistent pressure. Lift when instructed and reposition slightly to capture different ridge areas. This first set of captures creates the base template the sensor will use. You now expand coverage so the system reads reliably under varied contact. Follow the prompts to roll and recenter your finger, capture edges, the pad, and the tip. Make sure to enroll at least 2 fingers, commonly both thumbs or a primary and backup finger, so you have alternatives. When capturing, vary angle and placement slightly. This helps the algorithm correlate partial prints. Stay steady, but natural. Inconsistent pressure or extreme angles will reduce match rates later. This step builds a robust template set. You finish by verifying and securing the enrollment. Test unlocking several times right away, with typical grips and after waking the screen. If you get more than a few rejections, redo the enrollment. Make sure a fallback PIN or pattern is active, and set reasonable retry and lockout timeouts for security. Once satisfied, keep the sensor clean, avoid heavy screen protectors for optical types, and update device firmware when available to maintain accuracy. If problems persist, re-enroll or consult support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.